All right, so now that you have a file and it's been sent from your laptop through Collage using the Send Files feature, how do I get a hold of it in Android 13? It's a little different, and I apologize for not catching on to that sooner, but here we go. So once I'm inside the app I want to use, it still went to the Downloads folder for Collage. That's not changed. That's no different than it was for everyone else. But when I go to it, whether I'm going to it through the Photos app or through the backgrounds or whatever, the path looks like this. Again, still local storage. Originally, I thought it was going to recent, which would be easy, it's just right here, but that's not true. For whatever reason, it's not that. And then I thought maybe it was albums. That would make sense too because it has a downloads, but it only shows something from a couple weeks ago. So where's it going? It's still going to downloads, but the path, again, is a little weird. So I'm going to go to the ellipsis over here in the corner and choose Browse. And then you'll see these other options, Photos, Media Picker, Drive, which we're not using on the Android side, and then Finder. Finder brings me to this, which looks more like the other one. Download, Collage, File Share, and here they are. The ones I installed from the other are now available here. It's just a little different path. Hope this helps. Reach out to an instructional technology specialist for more help, or reach out to all of us through instructionaltechnology@cmcss.net.